All right, it's looking pretty good right now. We got a lot of people rolling in. They're still registering for the competition. Let's take a look at how it is right now. Hey, there's Ashley Applegate, head instructor here at KWI. How's it going?
Good, awesome. A big day of events planned here at Kentucky Welding Institute. We're giving away a $10,000 restored SA200 welding machine and a ton of other prizes from Lincoln, Miller, different companies from Flame Tech, Up and Smoke Welding Apparel, Outlaw Leather, just to name a few. It's going to be a great day.
All right, you heard them, guys. There's a whole lot of prizes going on for these seniors today. If you missed out on it this year and you're a senior, oh well. But if you're a junior or a sophomore, stay tuned for these videos. But I'm going to walk around and check out what else we have going on. All right, over here, Lincoln's got their booth with the welding machine on it. Live demos, people practicing. Yeah. All right, here's some more people, seniors, competing. You better be careful going around me. I'll get you on video. All right, some students have practiced, some haven't. We got people from all over the place. Ashley Applegate's over here doing the opening ceremonies, and let's check that out. All right, let's talk to some of the KWI instructors or judges. Austin, what are you doing?
Buddy?
What are you doing here today?
I'm just going to check things out, see how everybody's doing. It's been a while since I've been here, so.
Yeah, former student.
Yeah, one of the first three that graduated.
One of the first three?
Yeah, the originals, yeah.
OG.
The OGs, yeah.
Yeah, I hear you. All right, what's up, Landon?
What's going on?
What are you doing today?
Gonna be running the crane, showing kids how to use it.
Sweet, let's go check out that crane. All right, we got a school bus that just arrived. All right, tons of people showing up. Let's go check out the crane setup over here. All right, so here's the crane setup where we're gonna be running simulations where the students can work on their hand signals. Yeah, so we got the Broderson here. So while students are waiting, we have activities, and one of them is just seeing if they can get the ball of the crane and those tires. All right, so more people are rolling in. We're just kind of waiting for everybody to get here for opening ceremonies. So, yep, a lot of people are showing up. I think we got over 130 people that are gonna be here, so yeehaw.